In the last video we had connected our robot trading system with Metatrader, and I had already connected an account with Roboforex. That's the broker that I usually prefer. But we had a problem with the recognition of the demo account. Therefore we are now using an original Metaquotes demo account here. And this already was active. We have seen the first few trades here. Now I would like to adjust a few settings. The first thing is, when you right click on the chart, you can pick a time frame. In my case, we are using 1 hour, and that is what I prefer to do with real accounts. But you could pick any other time frame. Personally, I think the 1 hour time frame is the one that most people see on their charts. But as this is a demo account and we want to do an experiment, I will pick the 1 minute time frame, and that should lead to new open positions within a minute or two, in case we are getting a signal here. So let's change that to 1 minute, and there we are. You can enable or disable the trading panel here. We don't really need it, so I disable it. And I would like to adjust a few other things. For example, I don't like the grid, so now that is out of the way. If you want to adjust the colors of the chart, you can press the F8 key. And here are some settings that you might want to change. For example, here is a chart shift that will move the candles to the left in case you are going to use indicators that are shifted into the future. I don't want to see the quick trading buttons, and I'm fine with the colors, so I click on OK. And once you are satisfied with the chart settings, you can right click, select templates and save it as a default template. Here are some example templates. I will name this one default and save it, and that's basically it. If you click on the history tab, you can see that we made a few trades. Today is January the 4th, and now that we have changed the settings to 1 minute, we should see a few more trades today. So basically, the proof of concept that the system is working is enough for now. In the next few videos we make a few more adjustments, but so far I'm satisfied with the results. That's it for this video. I say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.